Hello everyone, I am Rama Devi, Maths PGT from Gajpat Nagaram KGBV in Vizianagaram district. Today we have discussed circles. In circles chapter, we have to discuss the position of the point and power of the point and the length of the tangent and etc. Before we discuss the topics, we should write down the important notations. For example, say S is equal to, represented as circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. You know it is represented as circle, S is equal to, and S1 is equal to x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. This is called S1. Now S11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 0. S12 x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. These are very important notations. So ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు నోట్స్ లో నోట్ చేసుకోండి. S1, S11, S12. Now let us discuss position of a point. What is that means? Position of a point, we need to locate the point with respect to the circle. For example, we take a circle and same circle. So the position of point with respect to the circle, at three locations. First, say if this is S is equal to 0. Here we take P, x1, y1. We take any point P. So P lies on the circle and P lies inside the circle and P outside the circle. These are three locations. P lies on the circle and P outside of the circle. So how to locate the position of a point? So S11, we take S11. S11 ante, if S11 is equal to 0. If S11 is equal to 0, then P lies on the circle. S11 is equal to 0 అయితే P అనే పాయింట్ సర్కిల్ పైన ఉంటుంది. And if S11 less than 0, P inside of the circle. P lies inside of the circle. And if S11 greater than 0, P lies outside of the circle. Here we talk about tangent. We can draw tangent through P, one tangent. Here number of tangents. Here we can draw number of tangents through P, only one. Here any number of tangents can we draw? We cannot draw. So here number of tangents 0. Here how many tangents can we draw? This from point P, this is one tangent and this is another tangent. So two tangents. Here two tangents we can draw from P to the circle. Here number of tangents 2. Here we have an example. How to locate the point. How to locate the position of the point with respect to the circle. So for example, one problem. Locate the position of the point 2, 4 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. So, ఈ సర్కిల్ కి ఈ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ది సర్కిల్ పాయింట్ సర్కిల్ పైన ఉందా లేదా సర్కిల్ లేదా అవుట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ ఉందా మనం కనిపెట్టాలి. సో అలా కట్టాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ we have to do S11. S11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So here x1 y1 means given point x1 y1. x1 square 2 square y1 square 4 square 2gx1. Here x1 coefficient x coefficient same, so 2z minus 4. So minus 4 into x1 means 2 plus 2f means minus 6. So minus 6 into y1 means 4 plus c 11. So this is 4, 4, 4, 16, 4 2s, 8, 24 plus 11. This is simplified minus 1. So S11 is equal to minus 1. This is less than 0. So S11 less than 0. We know if S11 less than 0, where is the location of the point? Yes, inside of the circle. The point, given point inside of the circle. Therefore, P lies inside of the circle. Now, the power of a point. What is power of a point? The definition is S is equal to 0 is the equation of the circle C and C is the center with center C and radius R. Let P x1 y1 be any point in the plane, then Cp square minus R square is defined as power of the point P with respect to the circle. That means, so this is S is equal to 0 circle. This is center P. So P, this is P. This is radius. This is called radius. And also distance between CP. So CP is here, CP square is equal to R square. CP is equal to R. Here P, if P lies on the circle, CP square is equal to R square. So this is CP square minus R square is equal to 0. So in case of here P, this is radius and this is CP. CP is less than R. CP square less than R square. So CP square less minus R square is less than 0 here. Here CP square minus R square greater than 0. So CP square minus R square is called power of a point. Here Cp square minus R square means we also Cp square minus R square is also written as S11. So S11 notation is very important to location of the position of point and power of the point. S11 అనేది position of point కనుక్కోవడానికి పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ పాయింట్ కనుక్కోవడానికి కూడా S11 చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ one example. Find the power of the point P 2, 3 and S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 23 is equal to 0. To find the power of the point S11, we have to find out S11. S11 means another again S x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. This is equal to x1 y1 means x1 y1, x1 square 2 square plus 3 square, x1 square y1 square 2 square 3 square minus 2 x1 means plus 8 into y means 3 minus 23. This is equal to 2 2's 4, 9 minus 4 plus 24 minus 23. We simplified it. This is equal to 10. So S11. The power of the point is S11 is equal to 10. This is 2 marks question. Next. Now, length of the tangent. What is the formula of length of the tangent? This is a circle. S is equal to 0. Center C. We take P x1 y1 any point on the plane. We draw from P to the circle a tangent. This is called a tangent which touches A. From P to the circle we can draw the tangent which touches A. Then PA is called the length of the tangent. So here the length of the tangent PA is equal to root S11. For example, find the length of the tangent from P to 5 and S is equal to x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 5. To find out the length of the tangent, we have to find out S11, root S11. S11 is equal to same x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. S11 x1 square 2 square 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 minus 5. This is 2 square 4, 25 minus 10 plus 20 minus 5. We simplified 34. But length of the tangent formula root S1. So length of the tangent is equal to root S11. This is root 34. This is the answer. Another example about length of the tangent. If a point P is moving such that the lengths of the tangents drawn from P to the circles. So ఇక్కడ 2 circles ఇచ్చాడు. కండిషన్ ఏంటి? The lengths of the tangents drawn from P to the 2 circles are in the ratio 2:3. For example, PT1 and solution. PT2 be 2 lengths of the tangents. But given the lengths of the tangents are in the ratio 2:3, that means PT1 divided by PT2 is equal to 2/3. It becomes 3 times of PT1 is equal to 2 times of PT2. So PT1 means the length of the one tangent, that is called root S11. Root S11. Finally we have to find out the equation of the locus of P. So we have to find out locus of P. Let P be any point on the locus. Let P be any point on the locus. P means x1, y1. So PT1 means root S11. 3 times of root S11 means 3 times of root S11. Here point P x1, y1 and circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. So x1 square, root S11 means x1 square, y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 is equal to 2 times of, here PT2, another length of the tangent, 2 times of another given circle x1 square, y1 square, 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. So squaring on both sides, we have 9 times of x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 is equal to, square cheste 4 into x1 square y1 square plus 6x1 minus 18y1 plus 26. Here 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 9 4 36x1 minus 9 6 54y1 minus 12 is equal to 4x1 square plus 4y1 square plus 24x1 plus 4 18 72y1 plus 4 6. So 9x1 square, 4x1 square, 5x1 square plus 9y1 square, 4y1 square, 5y1 square minus 36x1, 24x1 minus 60x1 minus 126y1. Here 108. So 108, 104, 212 is equal to 0. Therefore, the locus of the point P is 5x square plus 5y square minus 60x minus 126y minus 212 is equal to 0. This is the answer. First, we have to find out the length of the chord. What is chord? This is circle. Center C. This is secant line. A line which cuts the circle at 2 points is called secant line. This is secant line, and AB is called chord. AB is called chord. So we draw from center to the perpendicular line to the secant line and join CB and join CA. We know this is the radius R and this is also radius. So the distance, perpendicular distance CM, this is called D. So we have to find out length of the chord. Length of the chord means AB. AB is equal to, M is the midpoint of AB. So BM plus MA is equal to AB. Length of the chord. Length of the chord కావాలంటే BM కనుక్కొని 2 times of BM చేస్తే length of the chord వస్తుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. So this is right angle triangle. So from Pythagoras theorem, BM square is equal to R square minus D square. So Bm is equal to root over r square minus d square. So m is the midpoint of AB. So AB, length of AB is equal to 2 times of Bm. This is equal to 2 times of root over r square minus d square. So the length of the chord equation 2 into root over r square minus d square. Let us one example. For example, find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So length of the chord kattali ikkada. Length of the chord solution. Length of the chord formula 2 into root over r square minus d square. So here we have to find out r, radius in the circle, and d. D means perpendicular distance from center to the line. See, this is d. This is r. So d means the distance from perpendicular distance from center to line. So length of the chord 2 into root over r square minus d square. R means radius. So given circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8. Here we have to find out center. Minus g minus f. So 2z place lo emundi 2z is equal to minus 8. 2f is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 8. G is equal to minus 4. F is equal to minus 1. C is equal to minus 8. Center. Minus G minus F is equal to minus G, minus of minus, plus 4 minus F plus 1. This is the center of the given circle. Now R is equal to, we have formula G root over G square plus F square minus C. This is equal to root over G square 4 square plus F square minus C, minus of minus, plus 8. This is equal to 16 plus 1 plus 8. This is root 25. This is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. Now we have to find out D. Now we have to find out perpendicular distance. We have a formula, perpendicular distance from point P to the line modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Inter first year lo first 1b lo formula untadi. Perpendicular distance from one point to the circle. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ కట్టాలి అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ ఇది x1 y1, this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 అయితే the distance d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So ax1, so this is the line x plus y plus 1. So ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. This is the secant line, and c, we know c center c minus g minus f is equal to 4 1. So ax1 means a means x coefficient 1 into x1 4 plus b means y coefficient 1 plus c 1 by root over a square, x coefficient 1 square, y coefficient b 1 square. This is equal to 4 plus 1 by root 1 plus 1 2. So 4 plus 2 6 by root 2. This is the perpendicular distance D. So length of the chord, formula 2 into root over r square minus d square. 2 into root over r square. We already find r square, 5 square minus d square. D square means 6 by root 2 whole square. 2 times of 25 minus 36 by 2. Root 2 whole square 2. So 18. This is equal to 2 into root 7. This is the length of the chord. So position of a straight line. We have already the position of a point. Now we have to discuss the position of a straight line. Here also 3 cases. A line which touches the circle and a line which meets at 2 points in the circle and a line does not meet the circle. Here also 3 cases. Position of a straight line. A line which touches the circle is called tangent, and a line which meets at 2 points, and a line which does not meet the circle. And another concept, the condition for a line to be a tangent. ఒక సర్కిల్ కి ఒక లైన్ టాంజెంట్ అవ్వాలంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? Now we take x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is circle. And y is equal to mx plus c. This is a straight line. ఈ సర్కిల్ కి ఈ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ టాంజెంట్ అవ్వాలంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? The condition is c square by 1 plus m square is equal to r square. This is the condition for tangent to a circle. ఒక సర్కిల్ కి ఒక స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ టాంజెంట్ అవ్వాలంటే కండిషన్ c square by 1 plus m is the slope of the straight line. 1 plus m square is equal to r means radius of the circle, r square. And another concept, c square by 1 plus m square is equal to r square. So c square is equal to r square into 1 plus m square. c is equal to plus or minus r into square root cancel అయిపోతే root over 1 plus m square. c is equal to plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. So the straight line can be tangent. The tangent is y is equal to mx plus c. c means plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. This is the tangent of the circle with slope m. Y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. This is the tangent equation. ఇది దేనికి? x square plus y square is equal to r square అనే సర్కిల్ కి. బట్ ఇంకొక సర్కిల్ s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 అనే సర్కిల్ కి టాంజెంట్ అవ్వాలంటే టాంజెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్. హియర్ సెంటర్ 0 0, బట్ హియర్ సెంటర్ minus g minus f. So y means, so transformation of axis 1b లో transformation of axis లో మనం ఏ రాసాం? x is equal to x plus h, y is equal to y plus k. ఎలా రాసామో ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. y coordinate y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. This is the tangent equation at x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. For example, find the equation of tangents to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, which are parallel to one straight line. So మనం find the equation of tangents. Two tangents equations కట్టాలి. ఎటువంటి tangents అవి? వేరొక straight line కి parallel గా ఉన్నాయి. So this is the tangent and this is the tangent. So మనం ఇవి కట్టవలసిన tangents. ఈ tangents రెండు one straight line కి parallel గా ఉన్నాయి. Another straight line. This is x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So if two straight lines parallel, the slopes are equal. So the slope of the straight line is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So minus 1 by 2. So m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Find the equation of tangent means equation of tangent formula y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus r minus r into root over 1 plus m square. So ఇందులో f కనిపెట్టాలి, g కనిపెట్టాలి, r కనిపెట్టాలి. So given circle 2z is equal to minus 4. So g is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to 6. F is equal to 3. C is equal to minus 12. So r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c is equal to root over g square. Minus 2 whole square means 4 plus f square 3 3 is 9 minus c minus of minus 12. So this is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to root 25. This is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. So g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to 3, r is equal to 5. Now we substitute these values in the equation y plus f. Y plus f is equal to 3. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడు కూడా మైనస్ జీ మైనస్ ఎఫ్ కట్టేవాళ్ళు మీ సెంటర్. సో ఇక్కడ కట్టనవసరం లేదు, ఓన్లీ జిఎఫ్లు కడితే సరిపోతుంది. సో వై ప్లస్ ఎఫ్, ఎఫ్ మీన్స్ 3, వై ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎం ఇంటూ ఎం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 1/2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ జీ, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ జీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 2. So x minus 2 plus or minus r into 5 into root over 1 plus m square. M means minus 1/2 whole square and 1/4. So y plus 3 is equal to minus 1/2 x minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 4 ones 4 plus 1 5/4. Root 5/4 means root 4 means 2. So here ikkada 2, ikkada 2. So it comes to 2 into y plus 3 is equal to minus x, minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus 5 root 5. So 2y plus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2 plus or minus 5 root 5. Finally x plus 2y. So plus 6 minus 2 plus 4 plus or minus 5 root 5 is equal to 0. So plus or minus ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 2 tangents కనుక్కోమన్నట్ల ప్రాబ్లం లో find the 2 tangents plus తో ఒక tangent minus తో ఒక tangent. X plus 2y plus 4 plus 5 root 5 is equal to 0 and minus 5 root 5 is equal to 0. These are the equations of 2 tangents. Equation of tangent at a point on the circle. So in that equation of tangent అది పాయింట్ ఇవ్వకుండా టాంజెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్ కట్టడం, ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ ఇచ్చి టాంజెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్ కట్టాలి. సో ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ అట్ ఏ పాయింట్ ఆన్ ద సర్కిల్ ఫార్ములా S1 is equal to 0. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ టాంజెంట్ అని అడిగితే పాయింట్ ఇచ్చి టాంజెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్ అడిగితే ఫస్ట్ we have to find out S1 equal to 0. For example, one problem Find the equation of tangent to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 at one point. So S11 ఇప్పుడు S11 నోటేషన్ ఫస్ట్ బిగినింగ్ లో చెప్తాను. x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1, not 2g. g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to, so let's see, this is equal to x1. Here x1 y1 given point x1 y1. So S11 కాదు, S1 is equal to S1 equal to 0. S1 equal to x into x1 minus 1 plus y into 1 plus g into, here 2g is equal to minus 2. So g is equal to minus 1. So g anta minus 1. Minus 1 into x plus x1 minus 1 plus f into 2f is equal to plus 4. So f is equal to 2. F into 2 into y plus y1 means 1 plus c means c minus 12 minus 12. This is equal to 0. Equation of tangent kada. Minus x plus y minus x plus 1 plus 2y plus 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus x minus 2x plus y plus 2y plus 3y plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 12. So minus 9 is equal to 0. So multiplied with minus 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the tangent of equation. Is very very important. 2 marks ki tangent equation eppudu adugutu untadu. Tangent equation, find the tangent equation at a point అని ఇస్తే మాత్రం S1 equal to 0 కట్టాలి. Okay. So here one more example of to find out the tangent equation. Find the equation of the tangent to one circle and given at point 3 minus 1, and also find the equation of tangent parallel to it. So first we have to find out the equation of tangent. S1 equal to 0. So given point P, x1 y1 is equal to 3 minus 1. So S1 equal to 0. S1 equal to S1 notation. What is the S1 notation? X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. So here we have to find out g and f. 2g is equal to minus 2 and 2f is equal to plus 4. So here c is equal to 0. G is equal to minus 1 and f is equal to 2, c equal to 0. Finally S1 equal to x1 x into x1 means 3 plus y into y1 means minus 1 plus g into, so minus 1 into x plus x1 3 f into plus 2 into y minus 1 plus c equal to 0, so equal to 0. This is implies 3x minus y minus x minus 3 plus 2y minus 2 into 1, 2. This is equal to 3x minus x, 2x minus y plus 2y plus y minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the one tangent equation. But another tangent equation, we have to find out another tangent equation. What is the condition? Parallel to it. సో దీనికి ప్యారలల్ గా ఉండే టాంజెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో ఇఫ్ టూ లైన్స్ ప్యారలల్ ద స్లోప్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. ఇఫ్ టూ లైన్స్ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్ సో ద స్లోప్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సో దీని స్లోపు రిక్వైర్డ్ టాంజెంట్ స్లోప్ ఈక్వల్. సో దీని స్లోప్ ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి what is the slope of this tangent? M is equal to minus x coefficient minus 2 by y coefficient 1. This is equal to minus 2. So the equation of required tangent is, so slope form y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus r into root over 1 plus m square. Here we have to find out r. R is equal to root over g square plus f square minus equal to root over g square 1 square plus f square, that means 2 square 4, c equal to 0. So 0. R is equal to root 5. So substitute these values. Y plus f. Y plus 2 is equal to m. M means minus 2. X plus g. G means minus 1. Plus r. Root plus or minus. Sorry. Plus or minus. R root 5 into root over 1 plus m square. Minus 2 whole square plus 4. So y plus 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 2 plus or minus root 5 into root 5. So y plus, here 2 cancel, y plus 2x plus or minus root 5 into root 5 is equal to 0. So here we observe, we already find out the equation of tangent 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. ఇందులో 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So another tangent equation 2x plus y, ఇక్కడ minus 5, ఇక్కడ plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the answer. So students, we discussed once again I repeat, position of the point with respect to the circle and power of a point and length of the tangent, length of the chord and equation of tangent, slope form with the slope with m, and tangent, equation of tangent at point P. So to find out the position of point, what we have to find out? S11. Power of a point ki S11. Length of tangent formula root S1. Root S11. Length of the chord is equal to 2 into root over r square minus d square. Equation of tangent with slope form y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus r minus r into root over 1 plus m square. So equation of the tangent at one point S1 equal to 0. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ ని యూజ్ చేసుకొని నేను మీకు హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తాను. సో చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ చూడండి, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 30లో టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో పేజ్ నెంబర్ 30 ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1B. ఫస్ట్ locate the position of point P with respect to the circle S equal to 0 when point and circle. సో ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, పాయింట్ ఇచ్చాడు, సర్కిల్ ఇచ్చాడు, లొకేషన్, లొకేట్ ద పొజిషన్. ఏం కట్టాలి, S11 కట్టాలి. S11 0 అయితే ఏంటి, S11 లెస్ దాన్ 0 ఆర్ S11 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్, ఫైండ్ ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ద పాయింట్ P విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద సర్కిల్ S ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ఇది కూడా S11 కడతారు. ఫైండ్ ద లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద టాంజెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ P టు ద సర్కిల్. ఫైండ్ ద లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద టాంజెంట్, ఏంటి ఫార్ములా, √S11. If the length of the tangent, second Roman law, if the length of the tangent from 5, 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0 is, so ఇక్కడ √S11 is equal to 1. so √S11 కి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తే మీకు k వాల్యూ వచ్చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, if a point P moving such that the lengths of tangents drawn from P to the circle, so ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మనం చెప్పేసాం, PT1 by PT2 is equal to 2/3 అది. నెక్స్ట్, if a point P is moving such that the lengths of tangents drawn from P to the circles, 2 circles ఇచ్చాడు, lengths of tangents are equal అన్నాడు. కండిషన్ ఈజ్ lengths of tangents are equal. సో ఏం రాస్తారు, PT1 is equal to PT2. సో ఇలా చేస్తారు. ఫైనలీ we get the locus of P. సో ఇవే కాదు, ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కూడా చెయ్యండి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఎక్కువగా ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇస్తాడు. పేజ్ నెంబర్ 43లో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1Cలో ఫస్ట్ రోమన్లోనే చేయగలరు. ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద టాంజెంట్ ఎట్ P ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్స్ S ఈక్వల్ టు 0 వేర్ P అండ్ S ఆర్ గివెన్ బై. సో 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, P 1 పాయింట్ అండ్ S సర్కిల్స్. ఏం కడతారు, S1 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లేని వాళ్ళకి 1B 1C ఎక్సర్సైజ్ యొక్క ఆన్సర్స్ ఒకసారి చూడండి, అన్నీ చేశాక ఆన్సర్స్ చూడండి. 1B ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇవి, 1Cలో ఫస్ట్ రోమన్లో ఆన్సర్స్ ఇవి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.